Hi, friends. If you're interested in making something that's better than Kentucky Fried Chicken, here we go. We're going to teach you how to make French fried chicken next. So, friends, the first thing that you want to do is make sure you wash your chicken neck very, very well. You have to make sure you use vinegar and salt. Soak it in some salt water, I was told, but wash it with vinegar and salt and take off that slime, to take off the slime, and also to take away the rawness, right? And now we're gonna get into the seasoning. So she used some all-purpose seasoning on there. I think it's Maggie all-purpose, isn't you? Maggie all-purpose seasoning on it, and then she had add some black pepper, and so she's adding half of the Scotch bonnet pepper, and she's cutting it up in a nice little size, just to kind of give it some flavor.
We buy garlic powder, you know.
Mm?
When they fry this,
Yes,
you just
garlic
know.
powder. We don't have no garlic powder. We don't have any. Is that have enough seasoning on it though? You know, look
I
so.
didn't watch me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Look so.
When they don't fry that, you got to taste it.
So this is garlic, take your time. You want onion too? Oh, you said no onion.
But we don't make no gravy. You're going to make gravy. Yeah, no.
Masa.
If we have garlic powder, no going to have the rest of this.
Oh, if you have garlic powder, you would have replaced it. Okay.
Just rub it in.
Now, my friends, with clean hands, you're rubbing the seasoning very, very well. Make sure it's well seasoned, mixed up, right, Mister? Make sure it's well mixed in, and get everything soaking in right to the bone. It's all-purpose seasoning, some salt, black pepper, garlic. If you have garlic powder, use that instead of grated garlic. And make sure it's nicely seasoned.
That is it.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay. Close. So what are you doing now? You dip it in the egg first? Okay. So she used one egg, add some water in it, and then you beat out the egg mixture. And then have some flour at the side with some salt in it. When she dipped the chicken neck into the flour, when she dipped the chicken neck into the egg mixture, then she kind of dust it off in the flour, shake it off, and then throw it in the frying pan. Make sure your oil is very, very hot. And we did this outside on a coal stove. You can do this as well inside on a gas stove or electric stove, but be very, very careful. You're using very hot oil, and things are very splashy, right? And with coal stove, make sure you have someone there that knows what they're doing and know how to use these stoves, because these stoves can get very, very hot, and you can really This burn is just yourself pure from chicken neck. using one of these coal stoves. Okay. That's dipped in egg wash and then into a flour.
Right?
So is there something in the flour? Just plain flour, you put seasoning in there.
You put it as well.
A little bit of salt, that's it. So the flour mixture has some salt in it, and that's it. So we're just coating it like this, and then
And stir it around.
stir it around. Okay.
Okay? And keep this.
This is just an easy dinner. It could be an easy breakfast. It could be an easy lunch,
Right.
right?
And you sit down and you just have a munch and you just with like that and that. And
Okay, you heard it here. She's teaching me how to do this.
Lord.
You see there? When this done, oh my gosh. Whew, I can't wait. You want me to take them out? Them look good, man. Better than Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Love
And
after.
basically that's it, my friends. This is it. Very crispy and nice. And I'm going to show you what we paired it with. So this is what we serve it up with. Some fry bake, right? And here's the deep fried chicken neck. Oh my gosh, it's so good, my friends. And then we paired with some plantain, some fried plantain that we just did. So this is what it looks like. It is so, so, so good. Just a simple meal, right? Simple meal for the night. Thanks to my friend here. She fixed it up and it's wonderful. What do you think about my fried bake? You taste it
Nice.
yet? You like it?
Yeah.
Different from the dumpling though. All right. See you again in another video.